Good morning, good morning. A bit later start today, it's 10:30. It has been raining in the night, but luckily no rain now. There could be some showers later. A bit colder, I think, than yesterday. The forecast was around 15 degrees. Yeah, I'm going south to Sveg, and then it's a place called Los or Luz, either one. First I will go and check the Vemdalen, the ski resort. It's a bit dead, of course. At least the shop is open. But I don't need anything right now. It's that time of the year, making the roads. Twenty past 1, have covered 120 kilometers. Very fast and very boring. Welcome to Luz. Do we have anything here? And now the rain caught me. Didn't take the camera off yet. Okay, so the end of the day here in Ljusdal. Couple of rain showers made me put the camera away, so nothing much actually to see. Nothing special. Fast roads, straight roads. But now in Ljusdal one night, and tomorrow easy option to ride all the way to the harbor. 300 plus kilometers. I will have to check the route, however. See you tomorrow. Good morning, good morning. It's the final day in Sweden. It's 8:40. There's my cabin close to the road. Not the best one, but I slept quite well. The weather forecast is quite summery. I think max 18 degrees and no rains. Maybe later today some showers. There's some kind of front approaching, but there's a high chance of having a nice summer day ride here. Road 272 north of Ockelbo has been so far quite nice. Sandy Bay. Still so happy with this road 272. It's absolutely perfect. Makes me smile. break. If you ever get hungry close to Uppsala, come here, Harbo restaurant. Alright, made it to the harbor. Okie dokie, back to Finland. Welcome. I think it's time to wrap it up. Had 406 yesterday. I don't know what I have in total. I'll put it in the graphics. Now looking out for checking for a friend, having a breakfast and coffee, and perhaps time to start editing. Thanks for watching. See you.